Hi everyone, welcome. I'm Joel. Nice to meet you. If you're new here, subscribe. So today, I'm gonna be doing another one of my dumb ideas. So for this video, I wanted to make a crew neck, but just the plain one's no fun. So I thought about switching it up, and this is what I came up with. I'm gonna be cutting up 3 different color crew necks and splitting them up, kind of like this. Don't really know how to explain it. I'll just show you better. So here we have the crew necks. Got a red, blue, and green. We're gonna take them out of the bags, lay them out nice and flat. Perfect. Now with their clips, we're gonna clip them all together. We're gonna go around the whole garment. Just like that, we got all 3. Now with our little whatever that was called and our T-square, I'm gonna make some guidelines so we know exactly where to cut our crew necks. First one's done. Now we're going to the second one. Same process, just 11 inches away. All done. Now the fancy scissors. Love these scissors, so freaking good. I'm gonna cut through all 3 crew necks right now. These things are sharp. Definitely need to pick up another pair. Easy, let's go. Let's take off these clips, we don't need them anymore. All crew necks are nicely cut. Now let's go ahead and get these all mixed up. Let's mix and match them. And I lied, we do need them again. Let's throw the clips down. Once it's all pinned, we're gonna take this straight to our sewing machine. Turn that little baddie on. And here we are, let's sew. Working on the small little corner piece, shouldn't take long. See? Now let's see how it turned out. Not bad. Slightly off, could have been worse, but I like it. We're not wasting any time, we're jumping right into the next one. Well, same crew neck, just a second split. So yeah, this one's gonna take a little longer. Almost to the end, a little back and forth, and done. Crew neck done. Let's get our sewing machine out the way. Flip this guy inside out. I am so happy. It looks so good already. Let me show you guys. Look at this. Look at this. Damn. And for one of these, I am going to be throwing a Nike Killua swoosh, and the other 2 are from my friend. He's getting something embroidered. But back to the Killua one. I made this design a while back. Go check it out. Made some stickers back then. Right now, making some heat transfers. And I got both machines going right now. Killua is going to be the first to finish. It's just cutting out the design. And done. Let's go ahead and cut these off. We're going to weave these out as well. And we're going to take it to our heat press. Lay it down, put our Teflon, press, turn off, reveal. I'm so glad on how these turned out. They look way better in person. This is me wearing it. I hate being in front of the camera. And for those who want to see how my friend's crew necks turned out, here they are. Not bad. Next time I have to embroider the Killua design, but I like it. Look at it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a thumbs up, like, comment. Let me know what you want to see next, and I'll catch you next time.